Good morning, I'm James Lopez, President at HomeFi Corporation, and this is today's mortgage market update. Now, fighting intensified in Ukraine over the weekend, and that typically would drive more safe haven bond buying in the bond market. But one counterpoint is that we really kind of saw all the risks involved in the safe haven buying get priced into the market at the beginning of the week last week. And that really was a turning point for the bond market, kind of leaving it subject to the inflation implications surrounding the war. A translation for all that: bonds are down this morning, 44 basis points. The 10-year yield is up about 10 basis points, trading at 2.09. That's the highest in this term so far. And that really means for mortgage rates, what that means is that we're going to see mortgage rates open higher this morning, most likely. And the bond opened below the statistical floor of support. And so that could mean that there's some room to go towards the bottom on the mortgage bond price, which in turn means the mortgage rates have the opportunity or the chance to go up throughout the day today. So we could see some repricing throughout the day today. We'll let you know if that happens, but that could be going on. In other news, Zillow reported that U.S. inventory levels sank to 729,000 existing homes for sale in February of 2022. That's down 25% from February of 2021, and that's down 48% from February 2020. Now, this Friday, we're going to get the existing home sales report. And if this Zillow report is any indicator, if it's a leading indicator, we should see probably the lowest levels we've seen of existing inventory available for sale since the beginning of the report. Now, also last week we talked about CoreLogic's home equity report that they released, and we said that on the national average, homeowners gained about $55,000 worth of equity in their home. Well, the National Association of Realtors kind of drilled into this data and provided a report state by state on which states had the biggest gains and the lowest gains. And we're going to share that graphic of that data on Facebook. So if you don't follow us on Facebook yet, make sure that you go over there, follow us on Facebook. But in the state of Florida, Floridians gained about $76,000 in home equity. That's much higher, obviously, than the national average of $55,000. And I think that we kind of been able to see that tangibly ourselves. The biggest winner in the entire nation, you might have guessed it, it's Hawaii. They gained $128,000 in home equity for those homeowners. It's pretty huge. And as far as market news today, we already said that the homeowners, the existing home sales report is going to come out on Friday. But also, starting tomorrow, the Fed is going to be holding their FOMC meeting. That starts the Fed Open Market Committee meeting. It starts tomorrow. It's going to wrap up on Wednesday, and then the Fed chair is going to have a press conference on Wednesday. Now, the big news we're expecting out of this is the first rate hike of the year. We're expecting to see that news come out. But really, this meeting and the press conference and all the data and the information and all the things that the Fed is going to do this week is going to be a market indicator. It's going to dictate what the markets are going to do throughout the week and probably in the coming weeks and months. So we're going to keep a close eye on that and let you know whatever news comes out of that. Now listen, we appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching every day. We release this data and this report every morning. So if you enjoy it, please make sure that you go to our YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And also be sure to follow us on Facebook, where we share this video and then other data like the existing home sales data and then things like that. So make sure you follow us on Facebook. Hope you have a great day, have a great week, and we'll see you tomorrow.